Hello there everybody, this is Sonam Toronto. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna disclose about the toys that I bought is vacuum DYSON V11. It's a latest model. There are three types of model on that. V11, DYSON V11 model, and that vacuum is beautiful. I love it. So last week I bought it, and now I'm gonna show you all how it works and how does that you know looks like Dyson V11, and with a little review. So the excitement of opening the box it came in was like opening up the box of my new iPhone. The packaging was wonderful. Yeah, I've been waiting for a long time in Costco. So finally, in Costco, this product came out. So uh, the cost is $779 plus tax, which roughly round about $900 Canadian dollar. So it's cheaper because if you buy in other retail shops, it might cost you to 1100 ish, something like that, right? So Costco always cheaper, and the quality of product is better. So this Dyson V11 Total Clean is right now product is in Costco. So I read lots of review. What I love about the vacuum is the ease of use. No cord, so no tubes, total freedom to you know just grab and things and go, just go, right? It's very portable and it's terrific. It works really good. You got to try that one, and that is really good for the people who lives in the house that disabled person, or who have breathing problems, because that other crap vacuums makes you a little more, you know the dust that pulls up, and that's not good for the health. And sent, especially our house are set up with what do you call that, central heated central air condition. Most of us we have that, so that provides the dust that we we don't see them, and it really scatters on in our house, right? Not only to like pile of dust, but we don't see those things, and we breathe. So this kind of vacuum is actually a pricey, but it's a worthwhile. So guys, check it out. I'll show you this and some of the picture that models I have. I copied it, and you guys check it out. If you like it, I think you should go for it, because this is not only the house, and it also can use in the car, that dashboard area, when the dust pile up comes and you can wipe them out. There's some dust that makes you stains, right? Stain that stays forever. So it is really good. I really and definitely recommend you to buy this. It's pricey, yes, but it's worth it. It will last forever, because I have been using couple vacuum for the past few years, and all that has a bag, with the bag, and then cleaning up this is all our headaches, right? And not cleaning really good. But this latest model is really the wonderful technology. So very easy to use, very easy to um, attach the tools. So go for it. And yeah, it's handy. It's very handy for vacuuming a medium-sized room, maybe more depending on how you vacuum. Very thoroughly, or for quick job with car. Power settings are terrific, and the countdown usually tells me I have about 12 minutes runtime when I begin. This James takes the cake. Yeah, overall, I could not be happier with the purchase. It is worth. I find myself using it every day as it is so easy to use, powerful, and versatile. I love that Dyson V11 includes many useful attachment tools to make this vacuum capable of cleaning my entire house and also my car interior too. And the torque drives brush rolls never gets wrapped with hairs. So these are beautiful tools. Quick release combination tools and two tools in one. Transform to a handle in just one click away. Just one click. It's so simple and easy to use. I purchased this V11 after reading and watching tons of review. Dyson brands are very reputed company, especially V11 is terrific. So this is one of my favorite tools, which has 3 intelligent cleaning modes to suit any task on any floor type. This is my dogging station where I mount it beside my living room windows. And the LCD is still showing and it's charging right now. And please, if you like that, if it is helpful, subscribe my video, my channel, please. Thank you. Bye bye.